Hello everyone and welcome back to 2-minute tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Aspiration AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in aspiration.ai in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Aspiration AI. Now in order to set up your account, just go ahead and click on the sign up button. Now you just need to fill in your credentials, so just go ahead and type in your full name, your email address and your phone number. Now simply type in your date of birth and then select your gender. Then just type in your exam year and then you can simply choose the program of your interest. Finally, just verify your identity by clicking on I'm not a robot and then click on the proceed button. Now you will be shown the welcome menu, which will show you the various information about Aspiration AI. Just click on the Launch Now button and this will open up your newly created account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Aspiration AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.